Okay, so in our today's lesson, we are going to look at the introduction of linear equations. We are going to define what linear equations are, as well as we're going to look at a few examples of linear equations. We are also going to solve one or two equations. So linear equations, these are equations. These are equations in which the variable or variables, in which the variable or variables have the highest power of 1. So we're talking about you have an equation, and in that equation that you have, the highest power that you are able to see is 1. So that is a linear equation, and it is in the form of ax plus b is equal to c, where a is not equal to 0. So this is the form of a linear equation. So for example, you can have a linear equation looking like x plus 4 is equal to 1, or 2x plus 4y is equal to 11, or you can have a linear equation that is in the form of x minus 2y plus 5z is equal to 8. So as long as the unknowns in that equation are having the power of 1, then it qualifies to be a linear equation. As long as the unknowns in that equation are having the power of 1, then it qualifies to be a linear equation. So now let's look at how we can solve linear equations. Solving linear equations. So let's look at number 1. Find the value of x. Find the value of x in the following. So we have a 2x plus 4 is equal to 10. You can also have b 2 minus 3x is equal to 6, for example. So let's see how we can solve these two equations. So for a, so when you're dealing with linear equations, you're always advised that you collect the like terms together. So the unknown terms, you let the unknown terms be on one side and all the numbers on the other side. Okay? So I'm going to let this 4 cross to the other side so that I remain with 2x on the left hand side. So I'm going to have 2x, which will equal to 10. So this 4 is positive here, so when it goes on the other side, we're going to have minus 4. So I'm going to have 2x will equal to 10 minus 4, which is 6. So we divide both sides by 2. So this 2 and that 2 will cancel. So I'm going to have x will equal to 2 there, 1, 2 there. We're going to have 3. So my x will equal to 3. Now let's look at how we're going to solve my equation B on my right side here. So here, what I'm looking for is here, x is next to 3, so I'm going to let this term remain on the left hand side, and I'm going to let these 2 cross on the other side. So what I'm going to have will be negative 3x will equal to negative 3x will equal to 6. Now 2 here is positive, so when it goes on the other side, we're going to have minus